Place the chair on a level work table. Remove the rear wheels, making sure to have support under the chair. Undo the frontmost Velcro strap of the upholstery and peel it back and out of the way to allow top access to the mounting tube. Measure the current distance from the front of the back cane to the clamp as a reference point and mark it on the tubing. Unscrew the 2 screws from the wheel mounting tubes on each side using a 5mm hex key. If you are making incremental adjustments, you can adjust forward or backward in incremental distances from your marks on the tubing. If you have a desired center of gravity position required, the current center of gravity can be taken by measuring from the front of the back cane to the center of the rear axle, and then make your desired change in distance using your markings and the clamp as a reference point. Once you ensure both sides are in the desired location, apply medium-strength thread locker adhesive to the last threads of all screws before screwing them back into their original position with a 5mm hex key. Finally, with a torque wrench adjusted to 7 Nm, tighten the screws in an alternating pattern.